This is Island Hopper TV coming to you from Clearwater Beach and Clearwater, Florida. We're going to do a walking tour, but check this boat coming in. This is the Pirates boat. It's called Captain Nemo. So we're right here in the marina. These guys are cruising in. Let's make sure they get a nice clean slip in. Oh man, how are they going to do it safe? Of course they are. Get the Pirates ransom right here. Alright, let's keep cruising. They're in. Yeah, so on this area you've got the tropics boat tours. You got shark teeth and shells. Megabyte, look at that boat. It's a wild boat right there. It's an adventure boat. Parasailing. Do all that right here. And the Sea Screamer is a beast. World's largest speedboat right here in Clearwater Beach. Check it out. Calypso Queen. Alright, we're gonna do a tour. Let's keep this thing cruising here. Look at that fleet. Jet skis. See dolphins. Today's a tough day to go out with dolphins because it is so rough, high seas. But look at these fishing boats. You can get any sailfish out of here. I don't know about all that. What I'm going to do is actually get some food. So let's go do that at Krabby's probably. Last time I was here, I ate at Krabby's. Sat right at the bar. There's the Wyndham Grand. See that hotel there? I don't know what it is called, but it's got a rooftop bar. Kind of see it from here. See what Krabby's got on it. Yeah. Krabby's. Crab. Alright, so after a excellent meal, I even got a Reese's pie there for dessert and a White Russian. They said what goes good with a pie? She said a White Russian, so I got that. But back down on the main drag here, you know, I would definitely say that Clearwater Beach, well, according to USA Today, is the #1 beach town in Florida. I would say it's #2 behind Key West. That's good. All right, so we've made it to the actual beach. It's a little bit overcast today. You can pretend like you are not seeing overcast skies and you're seeing blue skies. It's breezy too. But yeah, I would say #2. I mean, I've gone all over Florida. It's hard to really put even the panhandle towns like Destin or Panama City or Pensacola above this one. Good vibes. Alright, here we are on the actual pier. What's actually going on here? Smart with these umbrellas protecting the wind. That is smart.
Very common.
Look at that. Extreme slide. I'm actually going to go over there where the main town is. I'll show you guys over there. But I figured you at least want to see what's going on out here on the pier. For those of you who saw my Fort Myers video. Oh man, are people actually going on that? Oh yeah. That's a heck of a slide. Let's go down here more. The beach kind of reminds me of Brazil, Rio de Janeiro. What is it? Copacabana? Is it Copacabana? We're gonna go over there next, down to the Sand Key. after we go here.
Everyone face forward and smile real big. Stand right over here at the bond.
These street shows going on here. All right. So right here you have the Hooters with Daughters Brewing Company right above it. Ron John Surf Shop. Ron John, I actually got some good clothes down there. That's a good place to hit up if you're arriving without any surf clothing. There's another place that I went to down that way, across the street from the Fairfield Inn. I've partied down here before. Definitely partied down here. I'm surprised it's not as action-packed as it usually is. Surfside Tap House, I went there before. Nice spot to get a beer. If you guys are enjoying videos like this, you may consider subscribing to the channel. Got a lot of videos just like this from all across the country. Key West video you might like. Try to put a link below. Italian pizzeria, Ben & Jerry's. So do bear in mind there is a Clearwater, which is the town, and then there's the Clearwater Beach, which is where we're at right now. There's no real need to go to Clearwater, the town, although I might go down there. Now when I come here every time, I'm always wanting to stay a few days. It's one of those places that is deserving of a couple days. Yeah, I still think Krabby's is my favorite place to get some good food. Although, you know, the crab just doesn't fill you up. I mean, I got crab, mashed potato, and some mixed veggies, but I feel like I needed probably an appetizer to get started. Oh, Jimmy Hula's. Remember this place?
Obviously, he didn't fucking forget the way she sounded.
All right. Jimmy Hula's. I should hit that place up. Started here last time. Here we are coming up onto San Marco. I'm actually going to go down a little more. Oh yeah, spring break is in full effect. Lots of young people down here. Maui Nick's Surf Shop. This is basically the end. There's a hotel right here. It's a popular one. I don't remember the name. But now I'm going to go show you guys another part of Clearwater. So where we're at now is actually called Sand Key. This is actually just south of Clearwater Beach. I just wanted to show you guys this beach area. Sand Key's got a more relaxed vibe, but it still has all the high-rise condos and some hotels over here like the Marriott. It's a little bit more relaxed. You have to cross a bridge to get to Clearwater Beach from here. Let's pull up on the beach when we get there. All right. There's Clearwater Beach. I figured I'd show you guys this area because if you don't like crowds, this might be the spot for you. Although today the water, as you know, not so great. Muddy. Not ideal. Definitely not clear water but that's because we've had storms, which will let up by next week since it's spring break. Some of the spring breakers aren't going to get the goods. But the cool thing is they've got these covered lounge areas that'll block the wind or even block the sun. So that's good, right? All right, so here I am on Fort Harrison and Cleveland. You see, this is like the main drag here in Clearwater, downtown pizza. Lots of outdoor seating out here. You got the Christian Science, Church of Scientology around here. Two different types of institutions. Yeah. We'll just kind of cruise down here.
Starts talking about baby and buying a house. Daddy shakes his head.
Oh, it looks like they got the waterfront area closed off, but you can see that big bridge there. That's how you get over to Clearwater Beach. This is more attached to the Big Island, or the main landmass of Florida. But north of here they have a nice town called Dunedin. They've got some islands off there. I've actually made a video from over there if you guys want to watch that. Just type on this channel, search Dunedin, which is wild because I've been to the Dunedin in New Zealand. There's also a Dunedin in Scotland or UK. But Florida's got a lot of those European named towns. Dunedin, Naples, Venice, you know. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this virtual tour from Clearwater. Probably gonna wrap it up here. Last time I was here, I was able to go down there and show you guys the waterfront, but looks closed. It's just basically the downtown area in main Clearwater, not Clearwater Beach. So we'll see you guys on the next one.